Alright, so here I am turning the drone on. The gimbal will proceed through the preliminary check. It actually hits the table on the first turn, which I thought was odd. It seems to have a 0% tilt at first, but then it tips down towards 20 degrees or so below the horizon, and it twitches from the left to the right every few seconds. It's not responsive to the controller. I'll show that a little bit later. And it doesn't adjust when the aircraft is tilted. Also, will be shown a bit later. Here I'm showing the firmware versions. It's the latest version installed successfully, and the aircraft serial number if needed. We can try a gimbal calibration, but it doesn't respond to any of that input. The calibration process indicator continues, but there's no movement whatsoever. Since there's no movement, we just exit out of it. It's obviously not doing anything. The gimbal is still self-checking. This does not go away. This persists. The gimbal is not responsive to any movement whatsoever. Left, right, up, down. There's no movement whatsoever. With the gimbal not ready, the takeoff cannot be completed. No flight is possible. The gimbal wheel is being moved up and down, but there's no response. So, powering down the aircraft. And exiting the app. This is new from